14-year-old house girl where they bring from, I don't know whether na village or city, where they bring and come this man house, say they can't serve my people. The man jump, you don't brutalize him, you don't mesmerize him, you don't, in fact, you don't elephantiase him, you don't, nothing where this, I'm not be joke, very serious. If you they see the bruises, the whole thing, in fact, the things, even they break my heart. And now they bring the man. The reason why I not bring this matter before now, because I not been get the man side of the story, you understand? And they tell una this every time. And they bring una evidence every day. Very, very important. So I they wait for this thing, and now I don't finally get up. So now everybody don't they accuse this man, say, hey, you do this, you do this, you do this. I say, Madam Aproko, keep quiet first until you get evidence. So my people, I don't bring this man now on a screen. I don't want to talk too much. I want make una listen and make una watch with una kuru eyes. So I beg join me, make we watch the video.
That way, please. Just go straight. Okay. Because you did not beat her. You did not beat her. You put your life her. Okay. For not being your child. And a child of 14 years old. See, I discipline my own child very well. No. I'm doing it. Everything happened because I get tired of myself. Why you so like don't beat? Why did you do her? Utilize the small girl. Why? Okay, I sent her to go and fetch rubber. 2 bottles of rubber. You wicked though. Some things you are saying is not even. Some things you are saying is not even. It's as if you are just saying. The rubber is here. You said that I said that.
Relax, oh. Now the man be that way brutalize the girl. I know say many of you don't they wonder say who be this girl, who be this girl. Now don't bring the girl part. And before we go move, obviously, in fact, nobody even need tell you now say this man they lie. Because even when they give him chance to talk, he no even feel open mouth talk. So the when they ask and say, hey, wait till you do the girl, this one, you know even feel talk. The only thing where they hear now, I don't know which language be that. So I don't bring the girl now. You understand? So that the girl now go tell us with his own mouth, say, okay, now this thing happen and now this thing not happen. So join me, make we watch the 14-year-old girl.
One day he said I should come and sleep with him. And I refused. And he said that if I have sex with him, that if I enter to use and buy something that I need. And I said no, that my mother will know. And he said that if your mother knows that your mother will not do anything. And I said no, that I'm a virgin. I don't want somebody to disvirgin me, that I have to finish my secondary school. And he said no, that I don't have to finish my secondary school. Yesterday, he gave me the shoe rack to wash. And I washed it. So it was not dry. And he said I should go and bring the shoe rack. And I go out there in the morning to go and bring the shoe rack. So immediately then I go and see the shoe rack fell down, and I take the shoe rack and wash it again. And I go and give it to him, and he said that the shoe rack is dirty. And I said that I washed it yesterday, it fell down today, and I washed it again. So he said I'm lying, and he said he's going to go and bring belt, and he used belt and beat me.
Una hear am? No, una hear am, abi una no hear am. We need to know, because now many people don't they tell me say, because na girl where they rape, and they side the girl, and they do this one. 14 years old. 14, now this man see him body, see I bet they put the pictures where they see what they talk about. See torture. He even get where the man even ask her for sex, where she no agree. Torture. Sometimes I dey wonder, wetin be the thing where una dey see, men, una dey see for 14-year-old girl, wey una no dey see for una wife body. I dey wonder, wetin be that thing? Because if I ever remember well, in fact, your wife wey don sengemenge everywhere, she even dey take away pass. I know this girl na small pikin. Wetin una dey see? I no be joke matter. See, this kind of thing, they pay me. It is very, very painful to think of the fact, say, you know that some person live in parents' house, say they can't serve you. And the only thing where you fit think of now to they beat and they send errands, they... I know, some men una matter dey tire me. E dey tire me to judge. If I be judge for case, as they don't bring the this thing, I'm not going even one year side of any story. Because when I don't do the overdo am. And person like that now he get children. You know, he talk on himself. He even open mouth. They tell us say in the discipline in pikin. You the discipline your pikin, and like this is the discipline. You dey enjoy your pikin. Now so una life be. Una go keep una own where they spoil other people own. No, now this girl now no good to get fresh skin like your pikin. You dey discipline your pikin. You dey discipline your. No, I dey try understand this man. God get cases to solve. I just say the files, the files wey dey before God like this, you don't overpile. I beg. Make una stop dey send una children, especially underage. Why una dey send underage go do house girl work? Why una dey send? I don't just understand. Some parents una too be the problem wey we get for this country. Una underage, you dey send and go do house help. No, wetin they know. This one said even okay, 14. He get one where I even see 9 years old. Which cloth 9 years old fit wash? Which eba 9 years old fit turn? Make una stop the abuse all this una children, parents. Stop this thing. It is very, very important. I no like am. Especially if you know say the house where you dey send am to, na only man dey there. Which kind life be this? Una not even dey pity for una children. Una no dey pity for them. Abi una don't forget how una push for labor room. Una don't forget the pain. I no fit try am. I no fit try am. Forget am. No English where you won't speak. No even saladam. I no fit try am. No saladam. No more this English. This is wickedness. And when I go to come outside, they complain. No be you saying your pikin. For all of una now where they come out, una don't they ask say, una want hear the man part of story. Una want hear the man part of story. I put am. So una don't hear am. Una don't know. Una don't declare now. Man, una they support. When this matter come out, everybody just Madam Aproko, don't side this girl. We've not heard the man's side. Ungwano, this is the man's side. He can't even talk. For una to see clearly saying a lie. No, una they convinced now. Wickedness everywhere. I bet make una lock him up. Make una lock him up. Very, very serious. This man needs to be arrested. Person like this, na animal. Very important. I beg, and I say I go bring this matter on our side because many of una now don't they blame this girl. There are many of them are like that. Many house girls are like that. I beg, we still get good people for this life. So I beg, start to drop the comment for that comment section. Share this video, make everybody know what's in the happen, and subscribe if you never subscribe. Very, very important. Stay tuned for our next story.